Hello my friends, welcome to our new tutorial how to add a schema markup for restaurant website with SchemaEngine AI. So for this, let's go to the plugin from the dashboard to add new plugin. In the search key box, type SchemaEngine powered by Radius theme. Click on install now. Before getting started, we first need to install this plugin. While done, then click on activate. Here you can see an interface of SchemaEngine AI settings. Go to the site info first to add your restaurant details. From the subcategory, choose your restaurant and use the most appropriate schema category for your local business. Then provide your restaurant name. If you want, you can further add your alternative name. For your business logo, select your appropriate one to upload here. Then set your price range for the business, as well as telephone number and then address. You must need to fill up your address according your business location. Then geo coordinates. And in the next, site others info. From here you can describe about your business in details as description. Then set your opening hours, which means days are specified with the day name and times are specified using 24 hours time. For example, 3 p.m. is specified as 15. And add your opening hours by separate line. In the next, help center. This is mainly used so customers can easily get in touch if they have any questions or inquiries. So provide your business telephone number as well as contact type. Then select your available language for this. Don't forget to specify your area served location. Then state your cuisine that you want to serve, for example Chinese, Thai, Japanese, and etc. Next, provide your restaurant menu URL. And enable accept reservation options if you want. For the page settings, you can select your About page and the Contact page to select a page on your site where you want to show your local business metadata. While done, then click on Save Changes to update it successfully. Now we will add social profiles. For that, provide your social profile information to a Google Knowledge panel. It could be Facebook, Instagram, and whatever what you have. Then click on Save Changes. At this point, go to the SchemaEngine page and click on View Page Source to copy Schema Markup code. Let's select and copy this. Now let's open a new tab and open Validator Schema Test Tool. Here, we will test structured data with code or URL. Paste the copied items into the Validator Schema Result Test and start the validation process. Google will crawl the page and analyze the structured data available on that URL. After the test completes, you can see that restaurant schema data is valid. And this is how you can add your schema markup for restaurant website with SchemaEngine AI. Thank you to stay with us.